Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel MacWaves. Today we are going to see the procedure to draw an ellipse by using oblong method. In the previous videos we have seen the procedure to draw ellipse by using other methods. In this video we are going to see oblong method. In this method the question will be asked like this: draw an ellipse taking major and minor axis as 120 mm and 80 mm using oblong method. This oblong method is also called rectangular method. So here we will be giving major axis and minor axis. The major axis is 120 mm and minor axis is 80 mm. So coming to the procedure, first we have to draw major axis 120 mm. So here the major axis is a horizontal line AB. This is AB with 120 mm, and from the center of AB, that is at 60 mm, take a center point and draw a vertical line 80 mm. So this will be the minor axis CD. Joining AB and CD, you have to form a rectangle. So this is a major axis and this is a minor axis. So by joining the endpoints, construct a rectangle. So the first step is we have to construct a rectangle by using major and minor axis. And the second step is, so you have to mark ABCD and EFGH. The first step, so the second step you have to do is consider AH. This is AH and divide this AH into equal number of divisions. So you can divide it to your wish, that is you can divide it into 5 parts, 6 parts or 7 parts, or that's up to you. Divide AH into equal parts, but each division should be equal. So I did a video of equal divisions, equal division method. So if you want, I will place the link in the description box, you can watch that. Divide AH into equal number of divisions by using equal division method. Here I divided this into 4 parts, and in the same way divide AO. So the number of divisions on AH and AO should be the same. So if you divided the line AH into 5 parts, you have to divide AO also into 5 parts. So here I have divided AH line into 4 equal divisions. So I will take AO also of 4 divisions, 4 equal divisions. Now the third step is from C. Join 1, 2, 3 points on AH line. This is C, and join the points 1, 2, 3 on AH line. The point you have to remember here is the number of divisions on AH line and AO line should be the same, and they should be divided into equal parts. And from D, draw a line passing through point 3 and it should meet line 3. Draw a line from D which should pass from point 3 and it should meet the line C3 here. And also draw a line passing from 2 and it should meet the second line here. And also draw a line passing through 1 and it should meet the first line here, like this. Name it as P1, P2 and P3. In the same way, divide BG into number of divisions and also OB into equal number of divisions. So in the same procedure, divide this rectangle also and join from C. Again from D, draw a line passing through point 1 and it should meet the first line here. Also draw a line passing to second point and it should meet the second line, and also draw a line passing through third point and it should meet the third line. P4, P5 and P6. So in the same procedure you can also draw for this rectangle and this rectangle. So I'll show you the simplest way to draw this. You can just draw vertical lines from the intersecting points. So this is the intersecting point here. So let's draw a vertical line from the intersecting point, that is point P6. Draw a light line, and also from P5 draw a vertical line, and also from P4, and also here draw a vertical line from P3, P2 and P1. So this is the simplest way. Now what we are going to do is from AB line. So this is the AB line. So from the line AB, take the distance from AB line to P6 and mark an arc here on the vertical line, and also from point P, from AB to point P5, take the distance in the compass and mark an arc on the vertical line, and also from AB to point P4, take the distance and mark it on the vertical line. The same way P3, the distance from AB line to P3, mark an arc here, and also the distance from AB line to P2, the distance from AB line to P1. Now name these points P7, P8, P9, P10, P11, P12. Now join all these points P1, P2, so on P12 from A. So the curve should touch A, B, C and D. So initially draw with a light pencil. Initially draw the curve with H pencil, and afterwards you can highlight with it with HB pencil. So this is the curve obtained after joining all these points. So first initially drew all this construction with the light pencil. The construction work should be very light. It means this vertical lines and this inclined lines, all this should be very light. Only the curve, the ellipse should be dark and remaining part should be very light. Only this curve should be highlighted. Draw this curve with a HB pencil, and the remaining construction work you have to draw with H pencil. This is the method for drawing an ellipse using oblong method. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.